Alhamdulillah, summa salatu wa salamu ala rasulullah, amma ba'du. Respected students of knowledge, viewers, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has been guiding us through this our noble journey. Here we are again, healthy and capable to continue this our noble journey. So we have completed exercise 4 in our last lesson. Now we are in exercise 5 of our lesson 2 part 2. So which my viewers, you can go to page 17 of the book we are using, which is Nurul Bayan. Don't forget, those that have not gotten the book, the soft copy, I have it with me. You can always drop your email on the comment section and I will reach out to you. So this is how to write number 17 in the Arabic alphabet. So go to a page that has this number. So this is 17. So another thing is, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, you like, love, and you equally click on the notification button so that anytime we upload new videos on this our great journey, you can be notified so that you can be abreast of this noble journey. So we are going to continue with Harakatul Kesira that we are treating. So, and this is the last exercise for this. So, and these are what we are going to be using, just like the author of the book has prescribed for us. So, if you look at this one, our emphasis is going to be on this mim because it is the one that has the haraka we are presently treating. In this case, our emphasis is going to be on kaf and what? Dal. Here, our emphasis is going to be on what? Ra and what? Only ra. So, every other thing has fatha except the one I have mentioned in the first row. So, and for fatha, we all know it. Even kesra, we all know it. So, I wouldn't be saying ain fatha, ta fatha, ta, a ta, sin fatha, sa, a ta, sa. Before fa fatha, fa, ha fatha, fa, ha, mim kesra, mi, fa, ha, mi, da fatha, da, fa, ha, mi, da. It now becomes ha ta sha fa ha mi da. So I wouldn't be saying that one after the other. So because I believe that is supposed to be our own personal exercise at home. Reading with hijab and without hijab. So when you get home, you try to spell to read and you also read without spelling. So now we're going to go straight without spelling because we are spelling for in our previous lesson. So you repeat after me. Atosha fa hamida.
Atosha fa hamida.
Rakiba wa radifa.
Rakiba wa radifa.
Rakiba wa radifa.
Rakiba wa radifa.
This D, dal kesra D wa radifa. Okay, this ra kesra ri. Bari'a fashakaro.
Bari'a fashakaro.
Bari'a fashakaro.
Bari'a fashakaro.
By now, everybody should know that this is Hamza, not Ya. We've explained this in our previous lesson. Okay? Sakata fasalima.
Sakata fasalima.
Sakata fasalima.
Sakata fasalima.
Take note of sin. Don't go and say fasha. Fasalima.
Fasalima.
Okay. Dakaro fakhoshiya.
Zakaro fakhoshiya.
Dakaro fakhoshiya.
Zakaro fakhoshiya.
Fahima wa alima.
Fahima wa alima.
Fahima wa alima.
Fahima wa alima.
Kariha wa saqiqa.
Kariha wa sakiko.
Kariha wa saqiqa.
Kariha wa sakiko.
Kha kasra khi. Kariha fa saqiqa.
Kariha wa sakiko.
Rakaba fataiba.
Rakato fatahiba.
Good. Rakado fataiba.
Rakado wa fatahiba.
Fataiba.
Fatahiba.
Rakado fataiba.
Rakado fatahiba.
Marido fasobaro.
Marido fasobaro.
Marido fasobaro.
Marido fasobaro.
Okay. Hafidho faqawiya.
Afido faqawi.
Take note of the emphasis. Fa kasra fi. Wa kasra wi. Hafidho faqawiya.
Afido faqawiya.
Okay. The emphasis mim kasra mi and ba kasra bi. So amila farabiha.
Hamila farabiha.
It's not hamila. Amila farabiha.
Amila farabiha.
Amila farabiha.
Amila farabiha.
Okay. Ta'ima fashabi'a.
Ta'ima fashabi'an.
Ta'ima fashabi'a.
Ta'ima fashabi'a.
Ta'ima fashabi'a.
Ta'ima fashabi'an.
Fariha fadhahika.
Fari'a fadhahika.
Fariha fadhahika.
Fariha fadhahika.
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 Fariha fadhahika.
Fariha fadhahika.
Naima wa amina.
Na'ima wa amina.
Naima wa amina.
Na'ima wa amina.
Sahiro fataiba.
Sa'ira fataiba.
Take note of the emphasis. How kasra he. Ain kasra e. He. E. Sahiro fataiba.
Sahira fataiba.
Beautiful. Qa'ada fa shahida.
Qahada fasha'id.
Take notice, ain is not called her. Qa'ada fa shahida.
Qa'ada fashahid.
It's not fa. Qa'ada wa shahiba.
Qahada wa shahid.
You are still calling that one ha. Take note one after the other. Qa'ada wa shahida.
Qa'ada wa shahid.
Beautiful. Sadaqa farabiha.
Sadaqa farabiha.
Sadaqa farabiha. كذب فخسر.
قدب فخسر.
Not كذب. كذب فخسر.
كذب فخسر.
Take note of sin, not sword. فخسر.
فخسر.
كذب فخسر.
كذب فخسر.
Okay, this one, another phase. It has 3 verbs combined together. Waliya fa'adala fa'amina.
Waliya fa'adala fa'amina.
Barakallahu fik. Waliya fa'adala fa'amina.
Waliya fa'adala fa'amina.
Barakallahu fik. So the emphasis li and me. Alima bika fa'adina laka.
Alima bika fa'adina lika.
Fa'adina laka. This is lam and ka.
Fa'adina laka.
Alima bika fa'adina laka.
Alima bika fa'adina laka.
Alima bika fa'adina laka.
Alima bika fa'adina laka.
Okay. The last but not the least. Akala wa shariba.
Akala wa shariba.
Fahamida.
Fa'amida.
Wa labisa.
Wa labisa.
Wa kharaja.
Wa kharaja.
Li amalihi.
Bihamalihi.
Akala
Akala.
wa shariba.
Wa shariba.
Fahamida.
Fa'amida.
Wa labisa.
Wa labisa.
Fakharaja.
Kharaja.
Li amalihi.
Bihamalihi.
Let's read together. Now, you read after me, but I'll read everything. Akala wa shariba fahamida wa labisa wa kharaja li amalihi.
Akala wa shariba.
Fahamida wa labisa fa kharaja li amalihi. Let's read together. Akala wa shariba fahamida wa labisa wa kharaja li amalihi. So this is going to be the end of exercise 5 and the end of part 2, which is Harakatul Kesira. The next lesson we are going to start with a new part, which is Harakatul Dhamma. So our assignment now is going to be to revise from exercise 1 to exercise 5. Please ensure you practice very well, because we are going to a fresh haraka, so that by the time we start combining the 3, you would not have any problem. So هذا وصلى الله على نبي المصطفى وعلى آله وأصحابه الأخيار وسلم تسليما كثيرا. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates as we progress. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Bye. See you in my next lesson.